everybody. Guessing today will be a pretty short stream. I fell down a bunch of stairs last night and my butt doesn't really feel too comfortable sitting in the chair. So, we'll see how this goes. Let me switch over to the coding view here and see where we were last time. So the main thing I remember from last time was we were playing around with this thing. Let's see if I can move that. Kill that overlay. Let me have a little more real estate for that side. I should probably blow the font up here because I know that that doesn't work very well if I lower the data rate, or if folks lower the data rate. All right, so we were playing around last time with doing succinct binary serialization, and we'd painted ourselves into a corner. When talking to Manip, we worked out that the thing that I was trying to do for lists and stuff like that, for computing whether or not something was variable size or not, wasn't going to work. So one option is to not require generics for part of it, to use, say, generics for almost everything, but then require you to say what the size is for the recursive data types. And that would kind of flash back to the way we were doing it with SOP generics. The other is to just go back to the SOP generics code, or generics SOP, and see if we could reconstitute things from, I don't know, 4 or 5 versions ago. So it's this patch that started us down the road to sadness. Git branch, or what's go back to master, git branch. All right, in theory, that will have just reverted master several versions. GitHub succinct binary. Undoing most of the good that we've done over the last 3 or 4, or 2 or 3 streams. So that, is there anything in the generic stuff that we really wanted to keep? I don't need the generics. What was nice in the internal changes that I made that was just general housekeeping improvements? I mean, making put into a monoid rather than a monad was kind of nice, actually. So I might refactor, I might borrow some of this back into put. We still need to finish get. The size annotation stuff is useless. Blobs are all the same code. That doesn't change. We didn't change any of this. Okay. So the only thing that I would really like to keep out of the random tweaks that we were doing in the last couple of days was that put stuff. So let's just make put. Into that, and then we kill the A and result like before. It eats all the monad stuff. Wait, we had fixed this to be bit-based before this. I could have sworn. Meta lifting whole puts is old, really old. Oh well. I guess there's another optimization that I want to include, which is all this stuff. The old meta, the old shape. What's going on with it? What's causing the concern over quality? I thought I had this thing dumbed down about 50% of what the stream was broadcasting at originally. Put parens. Meta put LSB. This is just meta false now. And that's already been incorporated. Meta's I, that's done. And this guy, run put, doesn't need to be. I need to run put and then put. Strict. Wow. Strict. I can't spell today. Length of my byte string. I don't need that anymore. A to put. Put parens is now just parens. If you really, really need me to, I could drop the stream down. You've been incredibly helpful over the last few streams here, man. I could pause the stream and tweak my broadcast settings. Let me do that. I'll drop it down like another 500 and see if that helps you. One sec.